Hi, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 325 horsepower engine for our customer's 1956 Thunderbird. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. Again, it's a 302 Ford engine. We have the double roller timing chain in there, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. We have the rear sump Fox Body Mustang oil pan for the 56 Thunderbird. Oil stick and tube. All the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. It's real nice Ford Racing blue valve covers with the matching air cleaner. The real nice blue ignition wires with all the wire markers. Distributor set in place. MSD ignition coil. Aluminum intake manifold. We have the 600 CFM carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the correct automatic flex plate for the customer's AOD transmission, proper tooth count and balance. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed in the intake manifold for any vacuum hookups. PCV valve on there, heavy duty Russell PCV line. We have the Polish Wraptor Pulley Kit on here, self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressor on there, thermostat housings on there, high flow thermostat, coolant bypass hose, correct lower hose location for the 56 Thunderbird on the driver's side, high flow aluminum standard rotation water pump, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. Every engine at Engine Factory's live run for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing for you. We adjust the idle mixer screws to get the best manifold vacuum reading. We check for leaks. We go over everything so you know when you put this engine in, you know it's going to be 100% perfect. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. It's family owned and operated business since 1969 here. So there you have it, our 302 Ford 325 horsepower engine, Rollercam, AFR Heads, the 56 Thunderbird. Thanks for watching.